Hey, it's Dan with Ultrasonics again. I wanted to introduce you to one of our newest custom units to kind of show you the capabilities that we have here at Ultrasonics. If one of our 25 standard units don't fit your needs right now, look what we can do. We can configure, we can size, we can add features, we can add agitating lift tables, we can add automation, all those sorts of things that might be important for your specific needs. This is a 5-stage unit made specially for an aerospace manufacturing company that incorporates a wash with filtration and oil skimming, a heated rinse tank again with filtration and oil skimming, a polyplastic tank for our passivation using the titanium heater, a final rinse tank, and a nice forced air dryer with custom positioned air knives for a precision dry. All this incorporated into a nice package. We've even added a conductivity meter on our final rinse tank here to monitor water quality. Here on our poly tank, on our passivation, time is important. So we've set up a special timer with an audible and a visible alarm to let us know it's time to move it from passivation to our final rinse. Another feature we added to this machine to account for the employees that'll be using it is a nice electric hydraulic lift system. This adjusts the working height from, in this case, 30 inches to 40 inches. Very customizable to the operator so that it's very ergonomically designed for moving the baskets and for their convenience. Or if you have a setup or a line that this has to fit into, we can fit it in exactly where it needs to go. This is all stainless. It has all the best of controls and ultrasound. We've even incorporated in nice drip baskets, even in this system, where we can go from stage to stage in a real easy manner. Go ahead and shut that lid, turn on the ultrasound, go do something else. Move on to the passivation stage. Let that drip off for just a second out of our first rinse. Now let's go into passivation, into our acid. We go ahead and set that. Turn on the alarm. We have it set for 1 minute, so in a minute you're going to be told that we have to move this. And then from there we go on to our final rinse, which again, the water quality is monitored, so it gives us control of all of our factors. And then into a beautiful hot air, forced air dryer with adjustable air knives that will hit those parts from the angles that we need to, both by pressure and by heat. This has a safety switch on it. It'll operate in a down position. Now get ready, we're going to have an alarm here to move our passivation tank here in just a second. It's time to move our passivation basket. So we move that right over into our rinse. And then into our dryer. It just gives you an idea. Size is no object. This is a smaller unit for more of a cell manufacturing. So give us a call or go to our website, check out our custom order form, give us some information, and I'll get back with you with a nice drawing and a proposal. Thanks for joining us at Ultrasonics.